Even with all the very safe and convenient transportation options like Uber and Lyft, there are still people that just insist on driving after going out and having a few drinks at night. And these very same people are the ones that cause very bad wrecks for injured motorists. And we get calls all the time on those kinds of wrecks. And when we handle a case involving a DUI driver, we look at it very, very differently than what others would call a standard car wreck. And that's because the behavior of the defendant, of the drunk driver, is just as important, the bad behavior I should say, is just as important as the injuries that our clients have sustained. And that's because we are allowed to ask for punitive damages against the drunk driver. And that just simply means damages meant to punish or deter that person from ever having that sort of behavior again. There's criminal cases that will be the jail time and will be probation, things of that nature. But in civil cases where my firm would handle, it's the punishment where it really hurts, in their pocketbook. And in Georgia, there is no cap on any sort of damages that a jury can award in punitive nature. Juries hate drunk drivers, judges hate drunk drivers, insurance companies hate drunk drivers. We all hate drunk drivers. And so insurance companies know that, and they're not gonna take any chances with having a case go to trial against a drunk driver. So our strategy is to get the complete amount of insurance that's available and ask for all of it. The other aspect of a DUI case is, where did that person get the alcohol from? And that's called a dram shot case. We're going to talk more about that in the next video. But for today, I want the key takeaway to be that DUI cases are being handled very, very differently than just a normal car wreck case.